So I just got another one of these radios, and I'm gonna program it again to make a video. I wanted to put some simplex frequencies in here, so I made sure that I put some simplex stuff in first. I got to change one of them. So we've added 4 simplex frequencies. We have the internet connected. I'm gonna go into here to the radio, and then you would go to import from data source. You can also say query to data source, which is completely different. But I believe it's the import. We'll find out in a second if we did it wrong. You go to repeater book, and if you want to do what they call political query, that would just be by your county. Or you do the proximity query, that is basically just whatever distance that you state. So you put your zip code in here and how many miles away you want to be. So I don't care to have anything more than 100 miles, maybe 200. Let's see what comes back if we say 200 miles. And it might end up being too many frequencies. So what it should do is it will move it over here, okay? And it's actually automatically adjusted it for number 5 on through. These other ones here, I don't know why they're in light color. Maybe that's because repeater book shows them as not active. You need to go through here and look and make sure there aren't other dead ones here. And then there's a way to remove those so that you don't have that empty space there, because it's really hard to move this stuff up into here after you've populated it in the list. Now if you click the auto button, it will skip that one. But now we got to go up here. Let's just make sure we'll scan through here. You'll have to go back up at the top, and you'll have to shift everything over so that you don't overwrite your 5 frequencies that you already have. So this is going to give us about 84 frequencies out of the 128. This is why I was really disappointed that that other radio didn't work. That had 999 memories. Okay, so we got it shows this one over here on 0, which is not good because, so we have 5 already. We're gonna click over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, we don't have 5, we have 4. So then we go here, and that'll make that one number 5. And then we'll click OK. And then it should just show us everything that we're about to write into the radio. Now we need to go over here and see what our last frequency was. Okay, so we're at 89. Now let's go over here, back into here, and get our 440 stuff. Radio. Hold on. Radio. Import from data source. Repeater book. Proximity. Okay. It might actually put us over the limit, so let's see what we get for 200 miles worth of 440 stuff. Okay. That doesn't look like it did it correctly. It would probably help if I actually selected 440. Okay, 70 centimeters, 440. Click OK. This will probably pretty much fill up my radio. Let's go ahead and hit the auto button. It'll show us the dead ones, but it'll move everything. Now we got to go to 90. So we got 2 choices. We can go plus 100, and then should be able to go minus 10. And that'll put us at 90 right here, and it'll write it into that memory. But what we need to see is, as you can see, we can't fit all those in there. We've got 250 worth of things, and Baofeng only goes to 128. So I'm going to cancel this out, and I'm going to go back into here Import from data source, repeater book. Okay. And I will just go ahead and see. I don't want to pick my county, but I'm just going to change this to 100 miles. This 440 definitely doesn't go nearly as far, but if I'm traveling around the state, it'd be really nice to have all those. So you go plus 100. Minus 10. And then auto, which screwed it up again. Plus 100. Minus 10. Let's see what we got here. 105. 121. We're perfect. That leaves us a couple of spaces for amateur radio satellites and stuff like that. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll make sure up at the top here, 90. Okay, 90 is blank. So we click OK. And then we go in here. Check everything. Scroll down. 121. Okay, go up to radio. Upload to the radio. This particular radio programs as a TD radio, TH6. And it will look like this if I can get my camera to focus. There we go. And it goes actually very fast on this radio. Much faster than the UV5R if you were going to do this many. Or maybe my computer's just newer than it was 10 years ago. And should be good to go on that. So now it's a good idea to go ahead and go into File and Save As. I leave that extension there and then type in something like Arizona repeaters, or I'll put the date or something on it and just click Save. And I've got it saved. I've also saved the original scan of the radio, and then we're good to go. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions or you're having trouble, post it down in the comments below. I'll do my best to try and help you.